Raising kids isn't cheap, and one mom got so tired of footing the bill, she invoiced her own child for being ungrateful. Addressed to unappreciative son, the woman, a single mother of 2 in Toronto, whom we'll call Julie, billed her 23-year-old son for nearly $40,000. Julie tells Credit.com, "I don't think the kids realize what the bills are. I just think he needs to appreciate the bills that I pay." He will now. Julie's $39,254 invoice to her son, whom we'll call Kevin, mostly included services delivered free of charge in the last 13 months alone. Aside from 5 years of his tuition that she's been paying, other costs include $6,000 for 5 years of health benefit premiums, and a $1,000 bill for being an and not appreciative of his mother's support financially or otherwise. Julie didn't really expect her son to pay up, but she was frustrated with him since he's been living rent-free for nearly a year. Kevin hopes to move out soon, but now he's a little more realistic about how hard it'll be. A mother's work is never done. Buzz 60, now you know, pass it on.